Let's build a brow. So after kind of trimming the brow, adding lay it down brow soap, I'm gonna use Auburn pomade. Gonna start out by tracing the outline of the brow and the tail, giving it the shape that I want. Once I have the shape that I want, I start to fill in the brow by adding hair-like strokes using the brow snatcher pen. As you can see, the color I used is the number 3. I then go in, fill in the brow even more with pomade, still using the hair-like stroke method. We just building at this point. You see it, stop playing with me. Using that little finger motion, it kind of blends the, hairs that we bought. It don't matter, baby, it's ours. Adding little touches, making sure that it's nice, sharp, and precise. I'm using my number 8 cut crease brush and the eyeshadow base in the color Nefertiti to create the brow, the sharpness in the brow, and also the type of arch that I want. Make sure that they match, baby girl. Don't be listening to them when they say they ain't got anything related and all that stuff. They're telling you stories. Before, after. It's a whole different vibe, baby.
Come prepare to slay. Yeah, this is
Let me know if you guys are liking these videos in the comments.
It's waterproof, honey. It's what I got to go to the water park. I'm gonna go